Has the sound of a running toilet tank kept you up for nights? Now you can get your beauty sleep back. No more sleepless nights when you replace your leaky toilet flapper. Note, this is not an original Toto part. We sell replacement parts for Toto. Better for the environment. When you buy Nick the Fixer's toilet flapper, you will be saving water by properly sealing your tank. No more cheap gimmicks, this one will do the job. Do it yourself. No need to hire a professional, this is one of those jobs where you can follow the super easy steps and voila! Good as new! Nick the Fixer's flapper is an oversized 3 inches, made of high-quality flexible siliconized red rubber TPR material for a tight seal. It resists chlorine and includes a stainless steel chain and hook. Install in 5 minutes! Don't waste time and money hiring a plumber or contractor when you can do it yourself. For super easy installation, the simple instructions will make you proud of your quick handiwork. So use Nick the Fixer for all your plumbing needs. Our toilet stopper flapper is easy to install and built to last. Just click the button and buy now!